Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is how to work from home and possibly make $10,000 a month. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how to work from home and make $10,000 a month. Now, quick disclaimer, the $10,000 a month could be way less and could be way more. You could potentially make absolutely nothing if you do not put in the work. I don't know how much you're willing to put in, so that was the disclaimer for today. But you could absolutely make that kind of money if you follow the steps and actually put in the work. So how you're going to do this is affiliate marketing. Yes, you guessed it. But, if you don't really know what affiliate marketing is, I'm going to quickly explain it before we get into the next things. So, affiliate marketing is when you refer a product to someone and they buy it and you get a commission from it. That's basically it. You don't have to make the product, you don't have to deal with customer support, you don't have to, do anything like that. You don't have to do refunds or anything. All you have to do is just refer someone to a product and you can make a commission from that. Now, companies will gladly pay you some money because, getting someone to buy their product, they're going to make some money off it. You're going to make some money and want to do it even more. So that is why they're willing to pay you some money. So, with that being said, what you're going to have to do right at the beginning is find a good product. So how do you find a good product? You have to find a product that's in your niche. A product that you really know about, that you're interested in, that you potentially use yourself, and that will make you money. That's exactly what I do with Builderall. So I use Builderall because it's like all-in-one marketing platform. So if you have an online business, no matter what it is, you need to have something like this, and this is the cheapest way to do it because it does affiliate marketing, it does email marketing, it does all these different things. It has courses, training in there, it has anything that you want. Like you can build an email list, you can build landing pages, you can build funnels and everything in there. And the thing with that is it's going to pay you recurring commission. And that's a very important thing. You want to have something that either pays you recurring commission, which is commissions that come in every single month, which there aren't a ton of, but there are some products out there that do that. Or you want to have a high ticket item. So something that's above like $500 every time you make a sale. But the reason why I want to make something that pays you recurring is because you're going to build up no matter what. So at the beginning you might be struggling and you might not be making too many sales. So say you make one sale a month, well, the second month you're already getting paid way more than the first month because you made a second sale, but your first sale is still paying you that way. So, and that's going to build up. So if you do this over a whole year, like the course of a year, then that is how you're going to actually build it. So the next thing that you're going to have to focus on once you've chosen that product is you're going to have a lot of focus. It's going to take work. Like I put out videos every single day. I've been doing that for like 4 or 5 months or something like that. And I have not missed a single day. And that's like, you have to implement it for a long time and show up. This is like half the battle is actually showing up. So you really need to focus, know what you're going to do. Like, you need to provide value to people. So maybe it's going to be on YouTube, just like I'm doing. Maybe it's going to be on Facebook, and maybe it's going to be on Instagram. Do not choose every one of these. Choose one and make it work. Because if you choose too many of them, you're going to be all over the place and you're not going to manage. Just like I did at the beginning, where I tried to do too many things at the same time and it just wasn't working out. You get burnt out. I've seen so many people that started really great that way, and then they just gave up because it was too much. So just try and focus on one thing, because you want to be the best at that one thing and not try to be average at a million different things. So make sure that you only choose one thing. If I were to choose one thing again, I would choose YouTube. This is why I'm on here, because YouTube is a much better connection with your audience than if you try to do something with, Facebook or something like that. With that being said, if you do want to choose Facebook, you could absolutely do that. There are people making a killing out of that. Instagram is the same, but the best connection that you can have is in person. The second best connection that you can have is on video. So that's why YouTube, to me, is the best, and that's why so many people are on YouTube as well, because you have a great connection and you really feel connected to your audience, and your audience feels connected to you. So, the other thing that you're going to have to do to be connected with your audience is to actually put in the work all the time. Like, if you show up every single day for 2 years, I can guarantee you that you're going to make it, because that is the way you're going to do it. And you're not going to make $100 a month. You're going to make a lot of money, and potentially 10,000, 50,000. I've seen people make 100,000, or some people even make $1 million a month. But the reason they do this is because they show up every single day. So if you're not willing to show up every single day, maybe show up every second day, but you're going to have to show up all the time for a long period of time and show up. This doesn't sound very appealing to a lot of people, but if you keep trying to look for all the little things that can make you $10 a day or things like that, you're still going to be in the same place 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years from now. But if you start implementing now, that's when you're going to grow. So you're going to have to put in the work and grow. The next thing that you're going to have to do is actually build an email list, because if you don't build an email list, you do not have a business. So again, if you want a link to that, I have one in the description to join my Builderall team, where you can actually, not only that you could promote Builderall like I do, but you're also going to be able to build an email list, which is extremely important. Even if you're not promoting Builderall, if you don't have an email list, you do not have a business. So build an email list. That is very important. Create a capture page. People land on there. They enter their name. They enter the email. They get taken to the next step, which is something that tells them about the product. And then they have a buy now button. That's basically it. That's like a funnel, a very simple funnel that works very well. So that's what you have to do. The next thing that you have to do is actually work on your mindset. A lot of people think that, I know the technical things, or maybe I don't, but that's the most important things. I need to know how to do the technical things. Well, I just laid it out for you. But if you really want to make it happen, you have to work on your mindset and actually start to believe that you can make it happen. If you do not make it, if you don't believe that you can do it, you will not do it. If you believe that you can do it, then you will absolutely do it. But you really have to work on your mindset. Almost believe that it's going to be right now. And I've talked about this in an older video, but this still applies, is actually trying to visualize it. Think in your head, picture yourself actually winning. What would it be like to have your goal? Maybe $10,000 a month, $500,000 a month. I don't care what your goal is, but picture that in your head and what it would look like. What car would you be driving? How would your holidays be like, and all that stuff, and think about it in detail, and that will bring you closer to the end goal that you actually want to manifest. Now, this is not the only thing that you're going to have, because I could make a 24-hour long video about that, but you really have to work on your mindset all the time. There are people that are specialized in that, some YouTube channels and all that stuff. So you really want to focus on that. So I really hope that this video was very helpful to you guys, that you got a ton of value out of it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.